Hi, my name is Eric Litras. Today we'll be talking about our Business Impact Analytics. Business Impact Analytics is a platform that is designed around speed, access, and automation of all your data. So here we're taking a look at our Impact Analytics manufacturing application. And now we're looking at productivity and efficiency of our workers. I can very easily toggle between productivity and efficiency as seen here up top. But for this demo, we'll take a look at productivity. I can clearly see from the graph at the bottom that my productivity on my first shift is below where I need to be as an organization. So if I right-click on my first shift and drill down, now I'm starting to see all the work center and assigned departments in my first shift. Although I'm not too concerned with Department 500 and 700, Department 300 is the one I want to really look into. If I right-click and drill through onto my productivity drill through report, you can see in the upper left-hand corner, I'm still looking at the first shift and I'm still on Department 300. But with one more click of the mouse on my productivity percentage, now I can start to analyze all my lower producing employees. However, what really catches my eyes is right over here. I've just identified 42 hours of rework time. Now for a demo, that is very extreme. But imagine if you could identify rework time, scrap at the end of every shift, at the very least at the end of every day, or at the end of every week. You'd have the ability to go to that work center, go to that department, talk to your employees, figure out the issues on the shop floor, fix them, and get them back up and producing. That's the power of Business Impact Analytics. That's the power of having a business intelligence platform at work for you.